Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products that look good on my acne texture skin and last all day. And for today's video, I'm going to do a foundation battle between this by Estee Lauder, and I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. And I also have some updates for the makeup used in my last video. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I have no makeup on, I just have my regular moisturizer, and I am very excited for today's video because this was an idea from one of my subscribers to do a foundation battle between these two, between the Estee Lauder Double Wear, the original Double Wear, and this new Double Wear sheer. I've used the sheer version in one of my previous video, and this one is a favorite of mine for so many years. So I'm going to compare these two for today's video. These foundations are completely different, but I want to apply them side by side so you could see how they look. I'm going to apply the Double Wear sheer by using a brush, and this by using a beauty blender. I'm going to quickly apply a second layer of this sheer one because I want to match these two sides. So this is how these foundations look on my skin. On this side I have the sheer one, and here is the original Double Wear. Both foundations are in the shade Ivory Nude, so I think the color is the same. I don't see any difference. Now that I look at them applied side by side, I see that this one is very shiny and this is matte, and exactly how I know it, because as I mentioned before, I've used this foundation for many years, and this one I've just used it in one of my previous videos. But what I like about these two, and I think they work the same, is that you could layer them as much as you want. I could make this one, which is a full coverage foundation, to have a very sheer finish if I just apply a very tiny amount of it and spread it all over. Or I could layer this many times without any problems and make it full coverage. And also with this one I could layer it many times without any problems, and I could get a medium to full coverage. However, these two don't last the same. This one looked the same on me for more than 12 hours, and this one after 6-8 hours looks shiny and a little bit cakey on me. So I like the sheer one for my everyday makeup because it's very easy to apply and also very easy to remove in the night. Even though my blemishes are still peeking through with this one, I like it because evens my acne texture skin very nicely and look natural. It is very comfortable on the skin. But this one is still my favorite for events, and I love it because it looks the same for many hours, and no matter how my skin look, because I get acne all the time, this one I could trust to make my skin look nice. So I really trust this one for when my skin is not in a very good shape. I want to quickly mention that these two are non-comedogenic, so I don't get acne from these two. So I think this is everything for these foundations. So I'll move on with the rest of my makeup so you could see how everything else look over these two. And for my concealer today, I'm going to use this Double Wear by Estee Lauder. I have this in the shade Ultra Light. I've used this concealer many times on my channel and I really like it. It's very lightweight and has a pretty finish, but it's also very long lasting, so I really like this one. And I'm going to set the concealer with this Pat McGrath under eye powder. I really love this powder for my under eyes and also to use it all over the face. It's amazing. Moving on to my bronzer, I'm going to use this Rare Beauty in Happy Soul. And for my blush today, I'm going to use this Cheeks Out in Strawberry Drip by Fenty Beauty. I really love this blush. It's very good, long lasting, and look very pretty on my texture skin. And use again this under eye powder by Pat McGrath Labs to set everything in place. And I'm going to quickly apply this e.l.f. baked highlighter in the shade Moonlight Burst. I love a finish like this on a highlighter, like a wet looking skin. So I highly recommend this one because it's very good. And I'm going to move on to my eyebrows because I have something to test for today's video, and it's something that everybody knows and love. This is Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm not going to get into the details because everybody knows this product. I just want to quickly mention that I have this in the shade 4 in a deep brown. I want something a little bit dark to get like hair-like strokes on my eyebrows. It's nice that you have a spoolie on one side and on the other side the pencil. So let's apply it and see if this one will do like magic on my eyebrows. So this is how one eyebrow with this Precisely My Brow will look. Let's do the other side. Okay, they look a little bit intense. I'm going to quickly set them with this 24-hour brow setter. I've used so many of these, and I think this is the best brow gel. So this is how my eyebrows look with this Benefit brow pencil. I bought this in the shade 4 because I have so many marks in here, and in some areas I don't have hair growing there, so I think it's very easy to do hair-like strokes with a darker shade. But as a first impression, I have to say that I like the spoolie on the browies from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it's more soft and easy to work with, and the actual brow product, it's pretty good, glides on very nicely. I think it's like my Anastasia browies, but I don't know, I have to play with this more. Please let me know if you want me to do a battle between this Precisely My Brow Pencil and the Anastasia Beverly Hills browies. I have the Anastasia one right here, so please let me know if you want me to do a battle between these two. And moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury Walk of No Shame eyeshadow palette. I use this eyeshadow a lot for my everyday makeup look and also for events. I was not very impressed when I first tried this one, but I really appreciate the quality and the pigment of the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow. So I really want to try more from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm going to start with this white shade all over the eyelids, and then I'm going to apply this one closer to my lashes. I'm going to quickly apply eyeliner and mascara and something on my lips, and I'll do this off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the finished makeup look. As my eyeliner, I've used this The Real Extreme Precision Liner by Benefit. I've used this one in one of my previous video. I highly recommend this one because it's very easy to use, like the tip is very bendable, so you could create everything that you want. Has a very nice matte finish and it's very pigmented. Don't smudge throughout the day on my eyes and stay the same for many hours. So as a little update, since the last time I've used this one on my channel, it's very good, long lasting, pigmented, and very easy to use. I think it's the best eyeliner I've used in a while, so I'm very happy with this one. And for my mascara, I've used this Yves Saint Laurent Lash Clash mascara. I've used this mascara for the first time in my last video, and I have to say that I'm not very impressed by this one. I don't like that my lashes don't stay the same with this mascara throughout the day. At the end of the day, my lashes look weird with this mascara, like they look small and flat, and also this one is smudging on my under eyes. So this mascara is very expensive, and I have to say that this Sephora Bake by Definition is more amazing than this expensive one. So I don't know, I've just compare this with my favorite at the moment, which is this by Sephora. I really like other mascaras by Yves Saint Laurent, and everything that I've tried so far is very good, but with this one I'm not very impressed. And on my lips I have this lip liner Couture by L'Oréal Paris, and some of this blush by Fenty Beauty on top. So this is everything that I have on my lips. So that's everything for today. This is the finished makeup look. All of the makeup products used in today's video will be listed in the description box below, so you could find everything there. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have one of these makeup products and which one you like. I would love to know. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!